90%. That's how many beginner investors lose money in the stock market. Not half, not some. 90%. And the craziest part? Most of them think the market is rigged. That Wall Street is cheating them. The market usually isn't the thing destroying beginners. They're destroying themselves through 5 mistakes. 5 completely avoidable mistakes. Mistake number 1. Buying with emotions instead of logic. A stock suddenly jumps 50%. Everyone online is talking about it. Now fear replaces greed, so you sell. At the exact bottom, this is the beginner cycle. Buy high. Sell low. Repeat until broke. Mistake number 2. Fees. Most beginners think fees don't matter. But tiny percentages become gigantic over time. Imagine you have $100,000 invested. At a 2% annual fee. Hundreds of thousands of dollars disappear over 30 years. Mistake number 3. No diversification. They discover one company they love, and they go all in. One stock. One bet. History is filled with invincible companies that collapsed. Enron, Lehman Brothers. This is why diversification matters. You should own hundreds. Mistake number 4. Trying to predict the market. If you missed only the 10 best market days, your returns could be cut in half. The market rewards consistency, not perfection. It is about time in the market, not timing the market. Mistake number 5. No long-term plan. Most beginners start with excitement but no structure. Wealthy investors build plans before emotions arrive. Wealth isn't built in dramatic moments. It's built quietly through years of disciplined behavior. The market rewards discipline, patience, and consistency. Stop making beginner mistakes and you will be part of the 10% who build wealth. Subscribe to Future Finance Lab.